Hi everybody. I'm going to be doing an overview of what your homework is. This is going to be a little bit different than the typical videos that I do. And I'll get into that shortly. But I do want to mention to you that we have a quiz on Thursday of next week. No school on Monday. We have class on Tuesday, which is kind of an important class that I'm hoping that you're ready for and ready to work in, because we're starting to kind of ratchet things up a little bit with some newer things. Your quiz, slope, the idea of slope, and that's things like standard form, y-intercept form, writing equations. If I give you 2 points, what's the equation on that? Line of best fit, we did that with a scatter plot, making a line of best fit, and we did that work the other day. And then what we did in class on Thursday, piecewise functions, you will have that. You're not going to have the parent functions piece on the quiz that I'm about to do and extend on, but you will have these. I'm going to give you a practice exam that's posted in a Google document as part of this on the classroom. So you could print this out or look at it, and I will give you the answers of that on Tuesday in class, so that you'll have both a practice quiz and examples. Okay, and I think that'll help you out as well. But this video is just going to talk to you about what your homework is for Tuesday. Normally I do kind of a lesson on what the topic is, and then you kind of fill out a Google form. There's no Google form to fill out, but you have to come in with homework done. Attached to this posting on the Google Classroom is a Google document that has 7 functions. And you are going to create a table for all 7. So when you come in with your homework, you need to have 7 tables done. You do not have to print out that page. You can if you want and do them on there if you have access to printing it out. If not, just bring in a piece of paper with the 7 functions. You can open up the document on your phone or your laptop and create the table. And we did this the other day, so this shouldn't be too difficult. It's being given a function that might look like this. And they're all going to have absolute value. And I want you to create your table similar to this. Okay? So, remember, plug in the x, do the math, and what's your output? What's your f of x or your y? Y and f of x are similar. So -3, the absolute value of -3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Absolute value of -2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. -1 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, and so on. So the work itself really isn't very difficult. It's getting you some practice of doing 7 tables. So really all you're doing is taking this, plugging it in, and doing the math. And you need to come with those ready to go on Tuesday. Tuesday's class will involve graphing. You're then going to take these and make graphs. And then we're going to do an activity based on that in class to help start to talk about parent functions. Okay? So the only piece you have to do related to parent functions is to come in ready to rock and roll with the tables. All right? So do the practice quiz maybe, or look it over, and start to do the tables. See you on Tuesday.